I finally have it. We're looking at the Mi 10T Pro 5G in this video. And we're also unboxing this really cool media box to find out what other Xiaomi goodies we have here. Plus, Chu will be helping us unbox. Hi guys, welcome to our unboxing of the Mi. Okay, no, I guess it's okay, no. Good afternoon, you beautiful people. Welcome to Isa Does Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. This is a very exciting video, and even if you've seen a lot of Mi 10T Pro 5G videos, I'd encourage you to watch this because we have a special media box here. So it's not just gonna be a phone, it's gonna be some Xiaomi goodies. But before we do that, a quick plug because the biggest one-day sale is happening soon on Lazada, where you can also buy this phone. And yeah, get the lowest prices for the Xiaomi 10T Pro 5G, which again, we're unboxing this video. And since I'm unboxing a Xiaomi phone, let's do a Lazada Xiaomi haul. Mind you, these things are also on sale. This Xiaomi home air purifier, which is honestly so useful. This smart Xiaomi electric fan, which allows me to do this. Hey Google, turn on fan. Bruh. And this most useful cleaning companion, the Xiaomi Smart Vacuum. We swear by this thing. Yes, I do have a lot of Xiaomi stuff, I told you guys. The game plan is that you add to cart now and check out on November 11 for Lazada 11/11. Not only will you get the lowest prices on Lazada's biggest one-day sale, but you also get free shipping vouchers and you can use this code. Back to you, Isa. Right, and now that we have that covered, let's go on to the unboxing. Here we go, folks. The big box that the Mi 10T Pro is in, this is from Xiaomi. I think this is their media box, and obviously Chu over here, our little guest, does not care about what we're doing. Up front, we have these really cute decals. Right, Chu, what's going on? What is going on in this unboxing? Stop smelling your butt. So yes, this is the box from Xiaomi, and we have these different little designs, outlines up front, and these are actually little drawers. So here we have the Mi 10T Pro 5G. Let's look at that later. Here we have, wrapped in a pretty Mi bow, that is a Xiaomi branded plain tote. And we have this because there's another drawer here. Chu, don't dirty the bag. And inside are the cutest Xiaomi pins. So I'm assuming you put these pins on the tote bag, and that's gonna be a cute little thing. Who has left us to do whatever that is? We can unbox in peace the Mi 10T Pro. Let's take it out of that drawer. At the bottom, Pro 5G branding. Up here it says 108 megapixels, and on the other side, Mi branding. On the sides it says it has access to all the Google apps you need. At the bottom here, we see that I got the lunar silver color. Let's open this up. Designed by Xiaomi. Okay, let's see what's in here. A SIM tool, which is a pretty one actually. Would make for a good earring if I can take it out. There's an audio dongle. Paperwork that I'm never gonna need, yo. And this nice cool case that's frosted with Xiaomi branding. On to the phone. No, not really. Let's look at what else is in the box. So we have here USB-C cord, power brick, and yes, now we finally get to the phone. Right, so it says here that this thing has 108 megapixel AI camera with OIS. That was a mouthful. 144 Hz adaptive sync display powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 and a crazy 5000 milliamp hour battery. Ooh, look at the camera on this. Right, let's take out the plastic. It looks nice, and that back is frosted. It's matte. That looks good. Feels good in hand, and that back won't be a fingerprint magnet. At the bottom corner, we have some Mi and 5G branding. And look at that camera. I mean, there is a slight bump on the right side. That is an unlock button which doubles as a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom, that is a USB-C port, SIM tray, and speaker. That's also pretty flat. This phone does feel premium, it feels solid, there's a good weight to it. And yeah, let's turn it on because it's time for a montage. Here we go, folks, the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. Look at how the light shines off this phone through that reflection. Anyway, camera tour time. So this is the photo mode, wide. Ooh, look at my long legs. 1x, 2x, up until, whoa, is that 30x? So this is like 10x right now, but there's like 30x. Let's zoom over to my mic right there. Dude. So up here you have flash settings, HDR settings, AI. Ooh, so now it says I'm a person. There are different filters. There's also beauty mode, which includes body, legs, head, slender, shoulders. I mean, good to enhance yourself a little bit, just like how makeup works, but never use it to hide the real you. And then on the right side, we have the portrait mode, that adjustable bokeh. So, I mean, that just proves that it works also on things because it is blurring me out right now and focusing on the phone. And this is an aperture of 16 and an aperture of 1. Some different studio lighting modes over here. We have beauty filters and different filters. Can we zoom in or out on portrait mode? No, you cannot. Right, so under more you have your night mode where you can do 1x, 2x, up until 10x. Can you do a wide? No wide, it seems. There is your 108 megapixel mode. Again, the main shooter on here is a 108 megapixel camera, but it uses pixel binning to make nicer but smaller photos. You can still shoot in 108 megapixels if you wish, though. The choice is yours, and that is this mode. Your flash, you have the different filters. Ooh, short video mode, a mode I like on Xiaomi phones always. Basically, this is designed for social media. Okay, I can't even speak anymore. Social media. So if I shoot a quick video, 15-second clips, after that, it can be sent straight to whatever social media you have via that area. And aside from that, you can also do like slow-mo, regular, super fast. What's this? Different filters, different beauty modes, and my favorite, the weird and funny kaleidoscope mode. So on this mode, you can actually do wide, 1x, 2x, up until, wait, not wide, up until 6x. Check out my winged liner right there. And then there are also different background music options. So if I choose this, right, you also have a panorama mode, documents, vlog mode. Now I've talked about this a lot in my other Xiaomi unboxings. I love this mode. Basically, it's a template for shooting more cinematic vlogs. You basically pick from the different ones here, and all you need to do is hold up the phone and it takes a shot for you and edits it for you. It's pretty cool. You also have slow motion mode. Ooh, you can zoom up until 3x and no wide. Time lapse front and back. I've been seeing this mode more on different phones. So yeah, both of the cameras are working at the same time. What is this? Ooh, picture in picture as well. Also long exposure mode. What is this clone? Ooh, we saw this for the very first time on the Poco X3 NFC. So check that video out. I'll link it up here and down below. It's a pretty cool mode. I like this. And finally, you can actually edit the camera menu through here. Right, let's move on to the other side, video mode. So first off, there is a wide. I am really against the light when I shoot here, huh? You have 1x, 2x, up until 6x. Oh wow, this is cool. There is an 8K mode, and then you have flash settings, an ultra steady video mode, and what's this? Beauty filters, and a bokeh mode for video. So as you can see, my background has started to blur. And then we know that you can shoot in 8K. You can also shoot in 4K 60 FPS. There's also my favorite, the movie frame mode, which allows for more cinematic shots. I actually also love this mode on photo. Wait, is this available on portrait? I can't believe I missed that whole part. But if you go in here, you'll find a menu, you'll have timer, and the movie frame mode. So you shoot this way with the cinematic bars and the rear cameras, and this is one of my favorite modes because it just gives you like nice dramatic photos. I mean, since we're back there, let's check what's under the menu for photos. So yeah, you have timer. Oh, the macro mode is here, movie frame mode as well, and other things. Let's go back to video. You have a macro mode on video and a track moving object mode on video as well. In true Xiaomi fashion, that's a lot of features. Right, let's go to Pro mode. All your different settings right there. Manual settings, that's cool. And then you can also shoot in RAW. Ooh, also there's a video Pro mode. That is very important for people who want to shoot like more cinematic stuff on smartphones. Right, moving on, let's go to some selfie stuff. So you have a video mode here. What is this? Beauty mode, filters. You have a bokeh mode. Ooh, you see my background blur right there? And then you can shoot up until 1080p 30 FPS. There's a movie frame mode. Under photo, can I zoom in or out? No, I cannot. There is that dedicated beauty mode with so many options. There are those different filters. And then up here, flash, HDR, and AI settings. Under portrait mode, different studio lighting options. You have the bokeh adjustment, so that's aperture 1 to 16, and of course beauty filters and the different filters. Under more, yeah, we have pretty much the same thing. So now let me bring you to some sample shots. And that was our unboxing, camera tour, and a few sample shots with the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G. I'm personally curious to see as to how these cameras perform. Let me know what you guys are curious about. Let me know if you want a vlog test with this phone or if a full review of this device is something you'd want to see. As for me, that's it for today. If you want to see how else I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's at isadoes_. Until next time!